Okay, we are go over discussion menu, page 20, question 4K, resonance structure. Let's back to the game of what is missing. So what is missing? They're missing a lot of lone pairs. Okay. Add all the lone pairs back. Otherwise, you don't know where to start with.
The double bond.
Double bond?
Mhm.
Yeah. So this one, double bond counts as 1, 2, 3. So oxygen is bound to 3, should have 1 pair of lone pair. Are you good? Yeah, next. This one, oxygen is bound to 2, should have 2 pairs of lone pair. Okay, if you're confused with that, you just use the table until this pretty much can put the lone pair in the correct place right away. Okay, that's step 1 of resonance. Are you good? Okay, assuming you have the skills, now where are we going to start?
So the double bond.
Yes. One of the correct way is to start with double bond, and then we said yellow you cannot see. We've said electrons are negative; they just like positive. So one of the correct way is to just do 1. Once you push that in, it's still one of the structure on the table. So you have resonance structure. I'll try to be consistent with my color coding or my pink. So on the top oxygen, 1 pair of the lone pair is from the original one. 1 pair of the lone pair is from the new one. Yes.
So the reason you started the double bond was because they're neither oxygen or negative charge.
I start because she said.
Oh.
But that's one of the correct. Okay, you can start with the most negative part because that's where your resonance is kind of like work. So I'll use an analog saying it's just like, okay, resonance structure is when you have very negative, okay, double bond or lone pair. It's just like you have a bunch of water, and then they like to pour into the place that has positive. One where you should start with somewhere else that has a lot of those, and they will pour into the place of negative, of positive. So that's the resonance structure. Treat as those are very high, positive are very low, so they like to fall into them, like a ball. Okay, good. Okay, any other? Oh, charge.
Carbon should be positive.
Okay. Any other resonance structure we can draw from this?
Moving over
The
lone pair
Pair.
from the
Yeah.
other oxygen.
exactly. Then we'll have. Well, I'm always grabbing the yellow, but not be able to see. Green, red, orange. Because of double bond lone pair, they like positive, they're going to pull into the positive. Right? Okay, that's it. Any questions? All good?
The only question I have is, how is the middle one considered the minor and not the major?
How many electrons of this middle particle?
Okay.
6 there.
Got it.
So it's minor if it's
Okay, so what's the 4 rules? What's